Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about an essential aspect of our health that often gets overlooked: our eyes. With the increasing screen time and exposure to harmful elements in our environment, it's crucial to take care of our vision. So, here are some tips on how to keep your eyes healthy. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe the channel for future updates. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Foods like carrots, spinach, kale, and citrus fruits contain nutrients like vitamins A and C, which are essential for maintaining good eye health. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your eyes moist and prevent dryness, which can lead to irritation and discomfort. Take regular breaks from screens. Whether it's your computer, smartphone, or TV, prolonged screen time can strain your eyes. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away to give your eyes a rest. Protect your eyes from the sun. UV rays can damage your eyes over time and increase your risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Wear sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays whenever you are outdoors. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly to prevent the spread of bacteria and avoid touching or rubbing your eyes, which can introduce germs and lead to infections. Schedule regular eye exams. Even if you don't have any vision problems, routine eye checkups can help detect issues early on and prevent them from worsening. Remember, your eyes are precious, so make sure to take care of them. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching.